Every election season, they remember us. They shake our hands, they say our names like prayers, but when the counting ends, to do the promises. Power sits on the chair, but people carry its weight. Thank you, thank you. Good morning, my fellow citizens. I have brought progress to this community. Please vote for me again, and I promise even more. Thank you.
Take it, you know what to do here.
Your love give me such a thrill, but your love don't.
Here's some alcohol, Dad.
So disgusting, but it's necessary.
I've never seen a diamond in the flesh. I cut my teeth on wedding rings in the movies, and I'm not proud of my address. In the torn up town, no postcode envy, but every song's like gold teeth, Grey Goose tripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel room. We don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in our dreams, but everybody's like Cristal, Maybach, diamonds on your timepiece, jet planes, islands, tigers on a gold leash. We don't care. We aren't caught up in your love affair, and we'll never be royal. It's a run in our blood. The kind of luck's the same for us. We crave a different kind of buzz. Let me be your ruler. You can call me King B, and baby I'll rule. Let me live that fantasy.
Boss, the votes are secured. Money works every time.
Good. No mistakes.
What about Jude?
Jude,
Hmm?
kill him now.
My father. He's buying votes, and he plans to kill you. I recorded everything. Please, take care of yourself.
For just a chance to win your heart, you can set the bar beyond the stars. I'll do anything, anything you ask me to. Say you want the moon, watch me learn to fly. Ain't no mountain you could point to I wouldn't climb. It's crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do.
Father needs to see this.
Vote wisely, vote wisely. Vote wisely, vote wisely. Vote wisely. Vote wisely. Your vote is your voice.
But we need our money.
That's why nothing changes.
We don't have money like Jeff.
We fight for the truth.
Will people listen?
If you don't stop trying, they will.
You betrayed me.
You're corrupt. People deserve better.
Everything I do is for power.
No! It's for yourself!
You too. Keep her.
No! Let go of me! No! Stop!
Finally, you're done.
Jude? Jude! No! How can they do this to you? Please! Please wake up! Please! I need you!
Take it. You know what to do.
No! We're done being bought!
Transparency! 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 Transparency!
Everybody, stay calm. We got this, okay?
Jefferson broke up. We're under arrest.
What? I didn't do anything.
This warrant says everything. Corruption, forced buying, and abuse of power. Please put your hands up where I can see them. Turn around. Get down on your knees.
Akala nyo ba ang kapangyarihan ay nasa inyo?
I will uphold the Constitution.
I will uphold the Constitution,
Obey the laws of the land.
obey the laws of the land,
And serve the people.
and serve the people
With honesty,
with honesty,
integrity,
integrity,
and dedication.
and dedication.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, Governor.
Kung hindi ka pa sumulan, huwag niyong tapakan
Power doesn't change people, it reveals them.